Oh, I hope my mic is working. Should be. Should be. Alright. Let's post in the Discord. Okay. Cool. Okay. What am I doing? Making sure everything's set up. Yep. Oh, good thing too, because I totally forgot to have Stream Manager open. Yay. Alright, and we're gonna get RuneScape up, because that's how I've been coding this thing so far. Okay. Oh jeez, and I've been messing with all my sounds. So everything's all messed up. I mean, that's some nice background noise, right? Okay. Alright, where's my... this thing? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Oh, and of course, now my sister decides to send me a Snapchat. What'd she send me? I don't know what this is for. But... IDK... I don't know. How do you spell frisbees? Bees? Question mark? Question mark? Okay. Okay. Sorry, I just finished eating, so like getting my brain into coding mode is a slight issue. Okay. So, what we have for today is, even though I spent time figuring out how this, scene events emit thing works, I think we can make this whole process better. And the reason why I'm saying it like this is because this update, it runs every... Here, I'll show you, because what we can do is we can console log this. So if we console log this in pre-update, and then we go over to our console here, you see this number is getting very large very quickly. And that's because that's how many times pre-update runs. So every time this pre-update thing runs, it's doing everything in here. So, and like I'm not the most experienced, but I'm gonna take a guess and be like, we should probably keep this to as minimum as possible so it's not doing a whole bunch in update. Because as fast as computers, so computers are fast because when words, the thing that slows down computers is displaying things. So having objects move, having, you know, it display things, that's what slows down the computer. This is something I feel like I learned in high school, which is saying I might be a little outdated, or it might be, I might not be remembering it fully correctly. So, you know, grain of salt. I'll need to double check my facts, and that's kind of why I'm doing this, is because I want to see, you know, what ways we can make this, you know. So in my personal experience, we should keep this to as low as possible. And so, with that being said, I'm pretty sure the only things we need to be doing in this update is moving the player. Because if you don't do it in this update thing, then it's just going to teleport. Because this is what increments the player to have them move around. Now I could be wrong. I could be very wrong, and I don't need to go through all this trouble. But that's okay. We're doing it anyways. Because I'm pretty sure we can change how this works. Or what was I wording? Shoot, I had, because if we take this current task and instead of, what am I doing current task stuff? Pointer up, add task, yes. Instead of doing this, we could probably just have an emit here. So then we can have a function here that will do, you know, emit, what's it, who's it. And this will be called, when we call emit, when we get to the task in here. Which brings me to the first point of this is... Okay, that's fine. I want to know when this stuff is being called, because I kind of... While looking at stuff on the internet is great to figure out code stuff, you should also understand it. So, what I want to do... In a second, if... I want to figure out when it's being called. So I kind of understand it, but I don't fully understand it. This... Because from what I remember... Where I took it from... This is if the player's moving. Which doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but that's okay. And then we have this distance thing, which I can kind of guess what it does. I don't fully know. But it's pretty much getting, well, the distance between these 2 points. In distance. When I found this on the internet too, this was at 4. And this is also when our player just yeets themselves out of the world if you click too much. So let's kind of see what's going on here. So in first if, and then while it's in the second if, and then it gets to distance, which, okay, now I'm curious. Come on. So then it gets stuck somehow. Which I don't understand why. Why do you get stuck? Why do you get stuck? All right, here we're gonna do this dot body dot speed. Here we're gonna do, we're also gonna do welcome, Rabbity. No worries. No worries. Hopefully their stream is going well. Glad you were able to stop by. Alright. We're gonna move this. Yes, down one, so that I can also do distance. And then in here. Oh, I didn't break that time, okay. Hold on. Okay, so that one jumped up to 8. So maybe if I just do less than 10. Okay. We're gonna see if we can break this now. Can I click any faster? Nope. It looks like... So if we look through here, yeah, it gets up to 8, but that's about it. I'm one... no, because... Huh, I don't know. Okay, so... what we can do here is we can have this dot current task dot emit. Which means we can probably get rid of all of that. Yeah, I know. I need to get lobsters. I want to get some lobsters. Oh, I can't carry any more lobsters. Oopsies. Okay. Which means that we kind of have to redo some of the stuff we already did. But I'm always for refactoring code, especially if it makes it better than what it was before. Because it's kind of like, building a house. If you build a house on rocky foundation or unstable foundation, it's going to crumble and fall. So when we put these bricks of our game in here, at first they're kind of mushy, but then we kind of harden it and make it better. And then when we go to add stuff, it makes it that much better. Now granted, sometimes you can keep building, but you'll have to revisit later, and it gets a little more mushy sometimes. Especially if you're just not taking the time to understand stuff. Like, if I was to just keep going, this whole game would be a mess, and I'd have to, start over to fix everything. Whereas here, I like to think I built a nice, strong foundation. Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need that. And we shouldn't need that. Okay. So. Now we need to find all the places where we emit something. So the customer doesn't actually talk to the player at all. The customer just talks to the booth because the booth is kind of what's holding them in a sense. So we shouldn't need to worry about any of this. This is actually, I'm a fan of this because it feels like the most well put together. Which is nice. But then in booth, so we add a task. Okay. So pretty much for this, see, and this is where it gets kind of The table's the hardest one because there's 3 things a table could do. A table can be ready to order, a table can be receiving their dinner, or you know, eating the meal in front of them, finishing up their meal, leaving, you know, stuff like that. So maybe for now, I'm not going to worry about the booth, because that one's going to take a bit more thinking, and I want this to be easier to understand. So we're going to first work with the ticket holder, the order ticket, and the meal. Okay. So, how was I doing this? I'm just gonna comment everything out for now. Oh. Okay. Okay, so the first thing, so we don't really need to worry about clicking on the order ticket, because that's when you click on the table. But if you click, okay, so ticket holder. Yeah, I know, I just commented this out. We're uncommenting it. So this .scene.add task gives it the X and the Y. Status is pending. That's fine. So then, actually, you know what we should do? We should hook this up to Git, so I have versioning control. Do I have Git on here? Okay, same difference. Is it just Git init? Is that... what? I don't know what I did. How did that just work? Why did that just work? I don't like this. I don't know what this is doing. We're just gonna call this initial push. Yeah? Add them all? Sure. Oh. Yes, please send help. What do you want from me? Okay. Okay. First thing you should do is set your username and email address. This is important because every Git commit uses this. Okay, because I don't want you knowing, like, my email. I don't know what this is doing right now, so we're gonna... This should... Hello. How goes? I'm trying to figure out the Git stuff, but it looks like I need to log in. So that's what I'm doing.
Did you already run these 2 commands first?
These 2? No. I need to remember what email I'm using.
So if you install GH, it's going to be easier.
How do I do that?
Terminal.
Can it be this terminal?
Yeah, it could be your VS Code one too, but it doesn't matter.
It's confusing me. Okay. What do I do?
Sudo.
sudo
app apt
app. Sorry.
space install gh. I was trying to install the snap. Go to Google. Just type GitHub CLI.
Okay. Like that?
Yep. That first one. Scroll to easy installation. Middle.
What do you mean middle?
Like
This?
that.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I have homebrew on this.
You don't need homebrew for Linux. I shouldn't.
Well, this is...
Hey, I'm reading condos, Go up.
How peculiar.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. Do I need to do this one?
Yeah. Ah, there it is. First one.
This big huge thing? How?
Control Shift B.
Control Shift B? Oh. That's helpful.
Second one. You can also triple click that line.
Thank you.
Next. There's another one.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a lot of updates, but don't worry. Just up arrow like the next command because this is exactly what I said to type, but I didn't know you didn't have the. I should have assumed it wasn't there, but.
It's okay. I can just copy and paste. It's not that... Okay.
Type GH.
GH. Enter.
Scroll up.
Here, let me just...
GH space auth.
GH.
Enter. It should open the web browser.
Okay. Is this something people shouldn't see, or...?
It should just be an authorization page. Auth. Login. I don't know the full command without seeing it all. So.
No, you fine.
Because you do it once and then you kind of forget it.
Understandable.
First one, enter. Probably just do HTTPS.
Okay.
You don't have SSH set up on here, do you?
I
You didn't set them up.
might have, but I haven't. Okay. Well, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Go with default yes as well.
Oh.
I just recommend the first one. It'd be easier.
Do I need to copy this?
Oh. You need Control Shift C.
Do I need to do it again?
Yep. Or if anything, just copy with your mouse.
Yeah.
Control Shift C.
I'm just gonna hit enter and type it in manually. Cause I'm not typing. Aw, yeah. C786A. Authorize? Yes. Boom. So then, can I...
Pushing again. Well, did you create a new repository for it yet?
I don't know. I did get in it like you said to do.
Yes, you initialize your repository to start, but you still have to go to GitHub and make a new repository for this.
Oh, okay, so what do I do?
Go to GitHub
Okay.
and make a new repository and name it whatever it's going to be named, or name it whatever the folder's name is.
So new repository?
Yes.
I'm just gonna call it web games. Should I make it public or private?
Yeah, I mean, doesn't really matter. You can always change it later.
Okay. If it's public, no one can just go in and push stuff to it,
No.
right? Okay.
They could clone it, but they couldn't just push stuff to it.
Okay.
And then they'd push stuff to their own instance, but they'd have to have a pull request approval from you to be able to even push any updates.
Okay.
Great repository. If you make a README, you can do it if you want. Add a README file, because you're gonna need one anyway.
Okay. Let's create.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you some commands to run. It will not give you some commands to run. It used to. It used to make it super easy. Settings.
Settings.
I don't remember the command. Just go to Google, I guess.
What am I?
Push to GitHub. I forget.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what to do now.
Yeah, we're missing a step still. Try going in this drop down. No. Can I see keyboard?
Yeah. Can you also talk to the old man for me? He usually gives me money.
You want to do a maze?
Oh, no, not really. If we weren't trying to do this, I'd be like, oh yeah, sure, let's do it. I'd recommend just going to the terminal.
I don't know where you have this saved. Are you in it?
That's at the root directory.
This is the root directory?
Yeah, for the games.
Is this where you get in it? This is where you did this, though?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. Ding, ding, ding.
I didn't mean to hit that button. I'm not used to having my F keys.
Is it okay that the like file names don't match? Like this is games, but on the it's web games.
Yeah. It shouldn't. I told you to make it the same name, but it shouldn't matter.
You did?
Yeah, so make it the same name as your folder.
I'm sorry.
But you might want to just run those commands, but if you don't want having your email on stream, just...
Oh yeah, I can switch it off for a bit. Can't I just rename the repo?
You can just make a new one real fast, too. Delete that one.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, just rename it right there.
Boom. Okay. So, am I doing these?
Yes.
Okay. I'll put this on pause. Do I put it in quotes? Or do I just...
You need to type user.email.
I just get confused here. And then do I put it in quotes or no?
I don't think it matters. For this instance. I put it in quotes whenever I've done it.
Trying to... Where's settings? There it is. I want to make make sure I know what my email is. Okay. Okay. Do I have to do the name one?
Yeah. That's what names can be pushed. I'd recommend making it Firebrick Red, your exact GitHub username. Otherwise, when you push changes, it's gonna make it your email.
Oh, that's not cool. I'm smart. Don't worry.
Firebrick.
I know. I'm assuming capitals.
No, you don't have a capital B.
I know. That's what I was saying. I'm assuming capitals matter. Firebrick Red.
I just do git config that global or that global.
Config that.
Enter. I forget the command to check.
Huh?
I forget the command to check. They probably said it correctly anyway.
Okay, so what do I do now?
Games. Did you open it up in another tab? You didn't push anything yet. You just.
I was just going back to the
Okay,
who's it? What am I doing now?
I don't know what tab you had it in. Maybe that's the last one?
Had what in? This one?
Yes.
Okay. What?
I'm just gonna say, just run that command, repo create,
Okay.
and then just call it web games.
I
And then
get.
we'll just delete the other one, because it's gonna be easier.
Ah, shucks.
Sometimes.
No, it's because I always Control V and not Control Shift V. Wait, what about push to an existing local? Is that what I want? Or do I want
Just try it.
Okay.
It should give you a list if it would work. It's looking for local ones. So no, it won't work because you did create. So it's gonna look for things you have locally saved. Like say you have GitHub desktop and it was all saved locally. So and say you're working on one thing, like say you're working on Web Games 2 and you want to push all things from Web Games 2 into Web Games 1 that's on your desktop for GitHub.
Okay. So should I Control C this
Yeah.
or okay? Sorry, give me a moment. Okay, so brand new repo. We're gonna call this Web Games. Enter.
Half that is description for now. To do.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So we want JavaScript or Node. Type to filter. My brain has troubles reading. Probably.
Node, because Node creates a bunch of files that don't matter.
But I thought those were Node modules. Is there a difference between the two?
It should still fall under Node.
Okay.
Find Node modules.
Do I want to add a license?
I just do Node for now. You can always add it later.
Do I hit yes?
I mean, you don't have to because you have it right here, but it might make it easier in the future.
So yes?
Sure.
Well, I don't know what this really does. This.
It's going to make an exact copy of all these files, but with the repository name being Web Games. So, like, it's going to rename a directory to Web Games.
That seems.
So you can copy it if you want. It'll make basically the same thing, but somewhere else.
That seems kind of redundant,
That's
though.
why I said probably no.
Okay, so no.
Now it's probably on GitHub. Or it should be. Or at least it should have created it. I don't know if it pushed it yet.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to. Well, this just has the.
Yes.
Okay, so do I just get?
Hit push. I don't know. See what happens. Oh my god. See, it used to. As soon as you create the repository, it gives you the exact remote things to add. I don't know why it didn't do it for you.
Because computers hate me sometimes. They like seeing me suffer in pain. So do I want to do this one?
Yeah, but you need. I guess just try the get remote add, then web games, then the URL to the web games.
Which
But
is
it
just
should.
this.
Yeah, but it should generate you a very specific thing to add. I don't know why it didn't. Get
I'm assuming I want to do that get push
push.
dash sit stream web. Hey!
Did it even push anything?
Sort of. I need to do a pull request apparently.
Click it? It's kind of weird.
Oh, look at my beautiful pictures.
It's weird it's making you do a pull request, but
How do I?
it's gonna be at the very bottom.
Ah.
Where usually. God, why do they keep changing everything? Very top.
Back to the top.
Go to your pull requests. I guess hit compare and pull request again.
Why do you
There
hate me
isn't anything to
compare?
compare. Are we sure it didn't push into a different branch
It
called main?
It looks like it's in master.
Okay, go back to your web games. Change your branch to master. Why would they do that? Wait, did you?
It I should have done main instead of master, but
Well, just do the same thing again. Hit push. I mean, I don't. You might have to recommit it, but
let's,
just delete the branch.
so get commit dash one upside down. Upside down. Yeah. Beautiful. I need because I need to merge it because it looks like I'm on master right now, or just check out main. Okay, no worries.
Change it to main, or delete the master branch, and do the exact same thing with run with main. It shouldn't be that complicated. It should be a very simple thing.
Yeah, I just don't.
It's because you initialized the Git repository before installing GH.
Well, he told me to just do GH. Oh, I don't know my git commands very well. I'm just gonna do git merge. Ah! Git branch. Okay. Git checkout main. Excuse you. I don't. This is not what I wanted to be doing tonight. I wanted to be coding. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
What happens if you just do?
I tried to check out main, but it said it does.
I don't even know why it would suggest master. And like even in its thing. It's gonna be kind of annoying, but this is the only way I can think to fix it.
No, that's fine. I just want it fixed. You know it.
Just flip your keyboard down. I don't know. Let's rename it like. I'll delete it.
I was gonna say we can just delete the two here.
You just copy and paste it to it. Say no for now. What is it making that?
Do you want the chair?
I had to guess it's making it in home, and then in hidden files.
I don't know how to.
View hidden files. Show hidden files. No, it's not putting it there. I just Google somewhere real quick.
Yeah, here, you take the seat. That's okay. I think that's my email.
Oh. Well.
Hold on.
I don't know why I named it master by default, but it's there.
I don't know how to do the get ignore thing for the node modules though.
Like, so it doesn't put these in?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's why you should ignore it. You're gonna want to move that up to the.
This is not. Don't look.
Don't
Don't look. It's okay. It's okay. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look.
Oh look.
Don't look.
And then I think can we delete those now so it's. Yeah. Node modules are a lot. I'm sorry.
Oh god, you didn't even finish loading this, my bad. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot.
I see.
Yeah, that's. Yeah.
The bloated web at its finest. In here, chat, we have Node Package Simulator, where we wait for them all to load in. And if there's 5 files per folder, we're almost there.
One would think. Oh, it's slowing down. Place your bets on how many no files there are. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, don't ever put your node modules in a Git repo. Did you just make a frowning face? Here, let me log you into RuneScape.
1 second. What is...
Maybe we should have.
How many things is this dependent on?
I know there's Babel, there's WebLoader, there's Phaser. I think Just might be in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that one too.
Oh, God.
Why? Is this because you...
It's because this is pushing still. Now it's a RuneScape stream. Have fun.
Oh boy.
I did not. I didn't know there was thousands of files in there.
Yeah, I didn't know you didn't know, otherwise it would have been like, no, you really don't want those. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha. Ha 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 ha. 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 It seems to be slowing down or running slowly. One of those two.
All the above.
Welcome to Counting Simulator. I'm so glad everyone could join us in this adventure.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault.
I don't do that.
I see this.
It's alright. Node will die one day.
No! How can you say such a thing?
Dino is its replacement.
What is Dino?
Node's replacement.
No.
It is. It's made by the guy who made Node to replace Node.
It's at 1300 and it's going really slowly.
That's nice. Alternatively, you can just make another re-
No, unless you do it. wait, you can just do git pull. I'm gonna have to git pull eventually.
I'm just hoping that you don't get pull and it deletes all your node modules.
That's fine. I just npmi then.
You have a list of them all somewhere?
No, that's how you get web repos down. You have it's package.json, keeps track.
Okay, so there is a full folder though holding all those files.
Oh yeah. That's why
I didn't want to do that. I was going to delete them like that and then either push it up, but I didn't want to delete all those node modules and then like that's where it's being tracked.
So I did a git pull and something popped up in the terminal, and I'm not quite sure what this is because I don't do Linux. Merge branch master of GitHub Firebrick Red web games. Please enter a commit message to explain why this merge is necessary. Meanwhile, on the node modules tracker, we are at 1500. I don't know either. Well, how am I supposed to pull the changes? Oh.
So if you delete the node modules folder locally, you'll be able to get it back.
Yes.
I still don't think you can do anything because I pushed that commit to delete all these files. I'm pretty sure you just have to delete it out.
Well, okay. So then when it's done, then I pull?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I said it's become a RuneScape stream because like you can't just tell GitHub now that it's working on it, hey, stop doing that, bring it all back or whatever. But if you pull it, you may not even have to delete it. You might just pull down what it has. It won't like.
I just want to know how many files is in here.
Well, open up your file explorer.
That's what I was trying to do, but I was doing it the long and difficult way because I don't know Linux. Properties. 103 megabytes, containing 11,000 items.
Oh dear God. Why is web so bloated? All those things are required to make your game work?
Well, it's not just the game that it's doing.
I know, it's Node itself, it's Phaserjs.
Well, it's, yes, Phaserjs, one of the dependencies, but then I also have Babel and Webpack because those allow me to make more than one JavaScript file, allows me to make a node server or whatever so I can run my website locally. And I don't.
Okay, if you go to your GitHub and you go to your repository, are you seeing things disappearing? Like in node modules?
I don't think so.
I don't know if it'll actually do it in the Lloyd group, but like the commit message is there, but everything seems like it's still there.
Yeah, except for the Babel one. The at Babel says don't look on it. So I think so far it's just gone through the Babel ones. Well, I just wish there's a way to stop this. Like, deleting files shouldn't be this difficult. No, it's okay. It's not your fault. You didn't know.
I figured there's maybe like 100 files in there. I didn't know there was 15,000 files.
I didn't know it was a lot, but I knew it was enough where you shouldn't. I'm gonna rename my stream title Deleting.
Just don't even have your mic on. Just have it zoomed in on the number.
I don't know how to do that off the top of my head.
I can show you how. If I could.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll have RuneScape up like this, and then like right here. Oh, careful. Right here, we'll just have the node modules somehow. Here.
I'm just gonna duplicate the source for.
Yeah, that's
Let's put this. Wait, where? Okay. Oh wait, it's in your.
Minimize that, please. Thank you. You have to minimize RuneScape.
I have to minimize.
Yes, because well, you don't have to minimize it, but that's how you get to the Linux stuff.
Oh, you're doing a display capture for everything happening on this screen? Okay.
Yeah, because I can't
Okay.
do window capture or game capture because it's not happy.
That's where there used to be a duplicate option. That's not gonna work because you have it all on the same display. And game capture doesn't work.
Last time I tried it, it didn't. Well, maybe you have magic fingers. Oh. Nice.
Oh my god, what's their hotkey? Is it alt now?
Is there a way to enlarge it?
Yeah, I'm going to.
So stupid. Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Some of my finest work.
I get the feeling that's gonna be running all night too.
It's already 2,000. It's already been, what, like 10 minutes? So, like, an hour? It hasn't been that long since it's been committing.
It's been okay.
Read
Yeah, it's been about like 15 minutes because
You should read your GitHub repository.
yeah, it's been 20
so
minutes.
15 minutes.
So 10
roughly-
minutes is for 1,000, and there's
Roughly.
1,500.
There's 11,000 something.
What do you mean 11,000?
That's how many files are in there.
Oh yeah, 12,000. We'll round it to 12,000. So that's
A little over an hour.
well,
1,000 7 minutes. Like 70 minutes.
Okay. My brain is not in the mood to be doing quick math like that.
You're welcome.
Oh, shucks, I moved. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I broke everything. Okay. We're fine. Should I change the game to RuneScape, or should I just leave it as is? Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No, it's not. You're mad.
I'm not mad. I am 100% not mad. But I hope everyone has learned a lesson about committing their node modules.
Well, I didn't. I also did it the slowest way possible, apparently. What?
It's... You're not wrong.
I mean, I feel like even if we would have uncommitted it the other way and then pushed up the update, I'm still pretty sure it has to delete them
Well, we can delete them, so if we deleted them locally,
and then pushed the update, it still has to go through and delete all those.
it would not take that long, though.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
It's doing the exact same thing it would be doing otherwise.
Except it's displaying it.
It's just a cheap and GUI for what's happening on the back end anyway.
Well, yeah, but displaying things is usually what slows down the computer. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure.
I don't think so. I know it's what slows down the computer, but that's still all just literally just a front end showing what's happening on the back end.
Liz sent me a TikTok on Snapchat. I'm half trying to listen to it, but I don't really care enough about it to actually be listening.
I'm like trying to hear it through my headset. I'm like, what is playing?
I don't know what to do. I could. But I have 9,500 coins left.
Well, just take a picture of it once you have left and then continue your endeavors afterwards.
On the bright side, we're about 2,100. No modules in. I do not. It's just an unfortunate situation. That's okay. Now you do. And that's what learning is. I do not. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see what we have to do for Dragon Slayer, I guess. I don't know. I wanna. So, my lobsters, I had 30,000 coins that I started with, and all I've been using those 30,000 coins for is traveling back and forth this boat, which is 30 coins a trip, to see how many lobsters I can get. Now, the number gets a little fuddled because of the random events that happen that give me coins and whatnot. So, we're just gonna take a break from that because I don't want I don't want to be doing. Are you sure I can't code in?
You can do it on your own local one.
Okay, we're gonna do that while we wait for it because
You just can't pull or push anything until it's done.
that's fine. I am fine with that because at least I can do some refactoring that I wanted to do. Okay. Which means, let me... I'm gonna leave the pane just in the top middle so people can ask about it.
It's gonna probably move if you move VS Code.
Huh?
It's gonna move if you're developing.
Well, I turned off the window capture 3 because that will move, but the pane is it just text, so I just left that in the middle. I'll leave that up here. It's so beautiful. Okay. Refactoring code. We don't need this. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay. So I left off with this. And now it tells me what changes I've made. Yay! Okay, so we want an emit. This dot scene dot events. Okay, so when we take a ticket, what do we do? Drop off. What do we want to call it? That's the important part. My neck is chilly. Ah! Don't yell at me, headset. Don't do it. Okay. We're gonna make this as explicit as possible so there's absolutely no confusion. Ticket holder takes ticket. Stop it. Stop trying to be helpful. Okay. Which means in the player, we can have... No. Do I want it in the... No, I don't think we need that. Alright, we'll save that. We're... So... A needle pulling thread. Oops. I need that one. No, I went one too far. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna have this dot parent container dot order ticket, which means that when you click on the table, it's going to grab the order. Else if this dot parent container dot 30 dishes? I'm not sure. We're not going to do the else for right now. We're just going to leave the if. Are we? We do want to, no matter what, we want to do this dot scene dot emit. We're going to add, shoot, wrong button. All right, we're gonna keep it simple. Simple. Parent container dot x. Okay, and then maybe what we do is we have, how do I want to do this? Yeah, let task equal, because everything's gonna stay the same except for the emit function. Boy. So we're gonna just take this. And we're just gonna pass it task. Because then, so if we're in here, we can do task.emit equals pass it the function, which when it gets, what happens when we click on, I don't know. We'll figure it out. You know what? We're gonna do this dot scene dot event dot emit take ticket from table, and we're going to pass it this dot parent container dot order ticket. I can't see anything because I need to word wrap it. I think arguably I don't even need the curly braces here, but I'm not super confident on that, and I want to get it working first. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna in table click event. All right. I don't want you. I would like you should be working. Yes. And if I click on the table, okay, so it still needs an emit, but I don't think I need to pass it anything. So we're gonna have emit oh, you just want a function. We'll pass it an empty function then. Beautiful. So then when I put you on here and I... What do you... Oh, shoot. That's right. I never finished. That's okay. Okay, so we put you here and we click on you. Oh, that's because it doesn't... That's because I'm not telling it to do anything else. It's doing exactly what I told it to do. Ha ha ha. Okay. In task emit. Ah, okay. So it is getting there. Sweet. So, now what we can do is take this dot scene dot events dot on, and we're currently not oh no, we're passing it an order ticket. Order ticket. In players. Oopsies. Event emitter. And what we want to do. That sets it to arrived. So what did the logic do here? We want to pick it up. This dot left hand. This dot right hand. So because left and right hand is moving, we're going to leave this uncommented because that will walk with the people, the person. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on this. We won't need this because at the end of a thing, we're going to tell it it's finished. But first... Okay, where did... Oh, this is booth. Okay. So you're up here. Okay. We want if this dot left hand. How do we do this? It was if not this dot left hand. Which vaguely makes sense, but my brain is hurting, so it doesn't make sense to me currently. That's okay. If this dot left hand equals order ticket. Else if this dot right hand equals order ticket. Okay. Okay, we're gonna save this. This will leave it on the table, which we'll have to deal with, but I want to make sure this works. Oh, maybe it doesn't leave it on the table. Okay. We actually don't need that open anymore. More room. Yay. Alright, let's see how... We're at 2,500. And it's been 40 minutes. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. So then... I want to test what happens if both hands are full, but I don't think I can do that yet. Shoot, I need the task, though. So I need to tell the oh wait, no. It's this dot current task shoot, what is it? Where's dot status equals finished? Which, you know, that was... So the question is, do we want to call a function? Well, because we could omit it, but that might be a little too much. So arguably, we could call a function, which I'd like better than just doing this, because if we need to change something about this, you know, then it's in a function, and functions aren't that difficult. Yeah, we're gonna make a function. Finished task. This dot current task equals undefined. Because then it's saying pretty much the same thing, it's just we're not checking it every update. So back at the top of here, we're gonna do this dot finished task. Boom. Okay. So we should be able to... Actually, this won't work. Yeah. Actually, you know what we can do? Is when there's nothing... Okay, we're also going to test this out, see if it works. This dot scene dot events dot emit walk to table. That's all we need for this. So then for this dot scene dot events dot on walk to table, and then when we get here, we're gonna just do this dot finish task. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. And then we can get these two little horseshoe crabs set up. Boom. Okay. Okay. This is... I'm liking this a lot better than sticking everything in the update. Because then every tick, it's not checking these things. It's when we decide to call these things. Cool. Cool. Okay. Okay. How are we... Because there was some way I was changing the X and the Y. How was I changing that? I think I actually deleted it, so I don't know. Oh, no, it's this right here. Hold on. So yeah, it should... What is the object? Oh, it's because I'm not passing it an object anymore. Shoot. Ah, shucks. I guess we just... So if it's the booth, then we want a minus. So let's do stand. So we're gonna make it a Boolean. Is stand buff. And then if dot task that does not make any sense whatsoever. But it does not get. Come on. Work with me here. Thank you. Yeah, okay. I need to fix that. I don't know what I changed. I'm upset. I am salty. Just a little bit. That's okay. Boom. Okay. And then it defaults to false, which makes it stand below. Oh, I can't actually click on the sync. That's nice. Okay. So, we can move around. Oh, shoot. What did I click on? Oh, let me guess. The sync. Where's my console log? I would like to get rid of you. Thank you. Okay. So, back to the kitchen, where we work on takes folder to ticket. I don't need that. Okay, walk to table, take ticket from table. We're gonna do these sequentially. Maybe I just do walk to object instead of table. Just walk to. Oopsies. Delete and then save. Oh boy. Okay. So it adds task. Okay, this dot scene dot events dot on. We're gonna keep the convention. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to pass it something, but I'm not sure what yet. So we're just gonna go with nothing for right now. Okay. Ah, caps lock. Console.log in ticket folder. And then for right now, we're just going to this dot finish task. Boom. So now we can move around as we please. This ain't gonna take my ticket. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Okay, I'm glad we ran into this because we need to... We'll do another emitter. This dot scene dot events.emit ticket taken from table. And we have to do the same here because we don't want to take the ticket if we didn't put it in our hand. Take ticket from table. Now this is pretty much going to turn order tickets to null. Go back to booth. So we don't need that anymore. This is going to get changed to the emitter. I hope I'm doing this right. Apparently I spelled the first one wrong though. Okay. Paste, because we want these two to be the same, and this is, yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, so then we're gonna do this dot order ticket equals null. That's all we need it to do. So that when there's an order ticket, we click on it. Click on it multiple times. It doesn't give us multiple tickets, but clearly that did not work. Do I just have null in my hand then? Can I return true? Hold on. I'm curious. So instead of doing this, can I just return... Does this... What? In table emit after emitter fires. Okay, so then if we click on... Oh. That does work. So... if... So we're gonna let this be... It is ticket taken. Instead of console logging, we're gonna do if is ticket taken. We're gonna do this dot parent container dot order taken. I know we just got rid of it, but nice thing with Git, we can undo it super easily. Boom. And then we don't need to worry about that kid. Now, the question then becomes, does it still finish the task? No. I'm gonna have to clean this up later because the way to fix it is this dot finish task. But we'll worry about that another time. So I should be able to boink, boink, boink. Actually, I'm curious. So if I go boink, 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 and I put you there, you don't take the ticket. Is that what we want to happen? Not sure. We'll come to that bridge when we get there. Technically, no, because they'll be still looking at the menu rather than instantly ordering. But that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Whew, this needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I do want to get rid of the console logs I put down though. This is booth. Oh, look at all this that could be cleaned up. Oh, look at that. I mean, sorta, kinda, not really. It's a little better. It's a little better. Technically, what I could do is I could just put this in the if statement. But that's not very readable, so we're not going to do that. Actually, what we can do... Actually, no. This does now have to be a function within brackets because we are doing more than one line of code. Oh. I just challenged myself, and it can still be one line of code if we do task.emit equals if this dot scene dot events dot emit take ticket. Right? Does this work? No. Okay, I'm actually fine with this not working because it's ugly. I put it in... Okay, I'm glad you don't work. I thought it might, but it doesn't, and I'm glad it doesn't because that would be atrocious. No one wants to see that. No one would know how to read that, either. Okay. So pretty much what took me a few hours to do yesterday, I've rewritten in a... probably half the time. But that's because I already figured it out, and I'm just rewriting it to make it easier to add things. Okay. Don't need that. So next, what we want to do is... the kitchen. Okay, ticket holder takes ticket. Which is right here. Okay, so how are we doing this beforehand? Beforehand, we were calling a drop-off method. Which should... yeah, right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is that's going to bother me. So, what we want to happen is if this dot left hand... oh, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna console out left and right hand to see this dot left and this dot right hand. Because when in doubt, console log. I know it doesn't rhyme, but it doesn't have to. Ticket holder, it's an object with a name. Woohoo! Okay, because, so basically what we want to do is this dot left hand equals null. so that it's a free open hand. But if we're carrying a meal, that's going to get rid of the meal, and then it will destroy everything. So first we have to check that if this dot left hand, first we have to check to see if it's null, because if we don't, then this dot left hand dot name, we just have this dot left hand dot name, it's going to error out. How do I spell order ticket? Capital O, capital T, order ticket. And then, so we're just gonna add another if so it's more readable. This dot right hand and this dot right hand dot name, order ticket, this dot right hand equals null. Now we don't necessarily want to do this part first. It's just something that we know is going to happen. What we're going to have to do is tell the kitchen to start making a meal. Which we didn't really get that far into this part. Clearly. Well, we kind of did. So this is for after. No, we want to. Hold on. So we have drop off. So it destroys the thing, returns null. Which I'm kind of curious what happens with just this. So okay, we need to destroy it as well, because otherwise it just stays there. Noted. Good to know. Very good to know. Which we're gonna need an emitter for. Actually, order ticket should have. We're gonna keep the dropped off. You know what? We could probably just do dropped off. Like, that's all. Oops. Drop. That's probably all that it needs to know. This dot right hand dot. Who's talking to me in RuneScape? Oh, the Freaky Forester. I will help you with your pheasants. 2 tails. Oh, that's right there. I don't like how I don't get experience points for killing the pheasant. And I got 500 coins! Yeah. Yay. Okay. So this should work. Right? Nice. Okay, so yeah, that we can just reuse this, which is nice. You know, and it doesn't do anything if our hands are empty or if we're holding meals. Sweet. Okay, so where does start meal go? Where is start meal? Okay, so that makes a new meal. Okay. So, how are we doing work events? Okay, right. This. But instead of doing it like that, we are going to take this. Paste it here. Okay. We don't need that one. Okay. So. I think what we can do is instead of. Because when we go to pick up. I'm gonna enlarge this super fast so I can put booth over here to compare these side by side. So instead of doing this, we might be able to get away with doing take object. We're gonna do pick up. Wait, whoopsies. And then this dot scene dot events dot on pick up. We're gonna just object console dot log. Whoopsies. I did not want that in. I don't. In pick up object. Sure. You go back over there. You go over here. You go back to your lobsters. In order taken. In ticket holder. I don't need that. Because pretty much I'm doing the same check. Sorta, kinda, not really. We're gonna do just pick up meal. I don't care right now. We will refactor this later. Because that is all I ever do. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's definitely somewhat good thing. Oh, this stop. What do you mean this stop parent container? Oh. Right. That. Boink, boink. Okay. Sweet. So, now we're pretty much going to do the same check as before, which maybe what I can do is have a function that does it for me. I don't have to do this every time. What's cooking? Good looking? That's cute and adorable. He just curtsied. Am I doing an ELSIF or just... Yeah, I'm doing an ELSIF. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so this dot left hand equals meal. This dot right hand equals meal. We don't need to get rid of it because yeah, we can't. I never finished it, which is why I'm not moving anymore. Okay. So let's put that at the end. Oh, this is bad. Oh, that's bad. That is so bad. Oof. What happens if I just make... meal dot disable interactive. I can't. Meal dot disable interactive. The constructor. Disable interactive. We're gonna do this dot. How did I do it? I did it with the customers. How did I do it? Ironic. I did name it. Curious to see what happens, because this can either mean that the meal stops moving, or it just means I can't click on it again. Which, hopefully it just means I can't click on it again. So does that mean... Okay. Oh, is not happy. Too much recursion. Okay, yeah, we're not doing that. So, what we do instead is we're going to have a check, because that is not a good thing. Not a good thing. Okay, so we're gonna have this dot is picked up. Oop, 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 oop. And we're gonna have it equal false if this is not picked up. Then we want to pick it. Whoa. Then we want to pick it up. Otherwise, we don't want to pick it up. And so, we're going to have set is picked up. This dot is picked up equals picked up. So then, instead of doing the wonky stuff we did here, we're gonna do meal.set is picked up to true. Meal.set is picked up. Okay. This should stop that wonkiness. What? What? Excuse you? In it meal if this dot is It's not what's supposed to happen. It's false. What? What? In meal. Click. I think I need to move the if statement. I need to move the if statement. Okay. You away. You shift tab. Shift tab. Okay. Side if. Oh, are you going riding? All right. I wish you luck. Call me if you need me. Okay? Please, please don't crash. Okay. Oopsies. Oopsies. Yes. Okay, just to make sure I know it's actually working. In if click. Now it just stays on the outside and doesn't do funky things. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Woo. Oh my gosh. I just need a breather real quick. Just need a breather. Okay, so next thing we're going to want to do. Ah, that was the wrong thing. I have 2 lobsters left. Okay. So next, we're gonna work more on this. How did we do this? I suppose we can have an if statement as saying if it's waiting on a meal. Oof. This one's gonna get complicated. How do we do this? We had dropped off, which dropped off was in kitchen. Here. You know what? Can I just hold on? Okay, so we had dropped off. Where's my booth? Oh, I deleted it all, didn't I? Did I? We're just gonna move this up here for now. Because what this does is it shows me the changes I've made. Which is not the nicest thing, but this is what it was before. So this .scene.add task. I set drop off to meal. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. This is for a good cause. Uh-huh. Dude, I don't know why, but I got super hotches now. Also, please don't ever don't open my node modules. We're at 3,000. Alright, I think what we need is a small break. Small break. Please don't mute tab. Mute tab. Thank you. This is for research purposes. Also, I know way too many games that are on this side. Pretty sure I... Now that one I can't played because I saw it there. I don't recognize that one. This one we played a lot of, especially on like iPods and stuff. Which I know is just dating me, but that's okay. If you don't load, I'm gonna be salty. Thank you. See, and that's something else is I want to be able to so this is Diner Dash. This is kind of what we're basing our game off of. It's a diner. You take meals and stuff and whatnot. It'll be slightly different. And this game doesn't run the best, which is fine. There is a story mode. Oops, I didn't actually want to go. It has different levels. You can't see them here, which sucks, but it's pretty much just a big square, you know. You know, and they have endless shift. Interesting. Let's see. Will I get points? Like, yep, order ×2. Beautiful. And this is the part we're working on. Actually, can I hold off on you until these ladies are done so I can... See, and then they need to eat. Holy crap, this game is so slow. See, and I want to make this movement. Just get on the other side. Okay, that's fine. There's too many of you now. Come on. Thank you. Oh my gosh, there's so many. This game does not run fast enough for this. Holy crap. I was trying to get it so that I could play this game tonight. Because this does not work. This just does not work. And the graphics are awful, and oopsies. Ah! I swear, I'm moving my mouse as fast as I can. I can't properly do these people. Oh, this is... No. No, I'm done with this. This is stupid. I can't... Jeez, it goes way too slow. The people placement. This is why I'm doing this. So I can actually play. It's funny, because people are always like, yeah, I don't want to play games. I just want to make them. And it's like, no, I want to make the game so I can play it. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I want to do. But, you know, that's okay. That's okay. Okay. Where did... Hooted, hooted, headed. Okay, so we need to figure out what to do. So you click on a booth. Well, table. Same difference. Walk to. Shoot, am I using this for... Just one place, no place, one place. Okay, beautiful. Because what we can do then is... if this left hand... right hand. Okay, so we're practically going to do the same sort of check logic. So first we're checking to see if your hand is empty. Otherwise, check to see if this dot left hand dot name equals, is it lowercase meal or uppercase meal? Uppercase meal. Okay, then lastly, what we're gonna do is check the table number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass it this dot parent container. Whoopsies, oopsies. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. I apologize. So we're gonna do, because meal... Please tell me I'm still console logging meal, please. Shoot, I'm not. Also, where is that order taken? Why are you in Maine? You shouldn't be. Fine. Okay, so... player... and... okay. We're gonna pass it... booth. Okay, so, and... this dot left hand dot... I know, we're doing a lot of jumping around, but trust me, it will all be worth it. Meal dot table number. So yes, dot table number triple equals booth dot table number. Yeah, jeez. This dot left hand dot, oops, I need right hand, not left hand. Right hand dot table number booth dot table number. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is console.log has your food, sir. Ready? I'm gonna be clever. Not that clever. Console.log has your food, ma'am. Okay. Beautiful. Because nothing should be happening because I don't have a meal in my hand yet. So we go turn this in. We take the meal. Click on the table. It's not the same. Go over here. I has your food, sir. Watch, and we can pick this up. We take it in. Can pick up the meal. I has your food, ma'am. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, pain, suffering, God. Excuse me. I'm getting back to lobsters. Okay. I think I might go to the bathroom here shortly. Maybe. Possibly. Potentially. Not sure. Whew. Coding takes a lot out of a person. You know what? That's okay. Wait, can I add? Hold up. Hold the phone real quick. Curious what tags I can add to this. Oh. Hold on, what? I can add JavaScript to this? I'm doing that. Okay, that's cool. Sadly, I'm not doing graphic. Whatever that said. Probably graphic design. Alright, well, we got JavaScript in there. That's cool. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Where did RuneScape go? There you are. Okay. So, we seat the horseshoe crabs at their table. Ticket, meal. Okay, now we're on delivery. So, what happens? So I think we kind of already have this set up from before. Ah, my blanket. And I don't know how long the AC's been running. The back of my neck is getting cold. Okay. Don't forget your semicolons. Even though you don't really need them, but I would highly recommend semicolons. Seems like 3 different places I forgot semicolons. Yay. Okay, kitchen. So then, pretty much we can this dot left hand equals this dot left hand dot dropped off. Boom. Same thing here. This dot right hand equals this dot right hand. Okay. So this is where we were at yesterday before I decided to change everything. It just turns it to the dirty dishes, which is fine. I think it's the booth. Oh, is it the table? Wait, where is... Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know why I did that. Where's the start eating? Is that... Start eating. Oh, it's... Where's... Hello? What? Huh? Excuse me? Where's dirty dishes? Oh, no, it's just... Please don't tell me. That is... It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. So pretty much what we're going to do now, whoopsies, is kick the tiny little garbage can I have. Set dirty dishes. This dot set texture dirty dishes. Okay. So do we actually want it to drop it off? Because we can do something different here. I mean, arguably, we can have it emit and the booth will pick it up. Or the customer. How would that work? Actually, they both can receive the update. Does customer knows it's booth? Customer knows it's booth. So, can we do this dot scene dot event dot on? Question mark? Is it on? It's not on. Let's start eating. And we hit all the buttons, except for the ones I actually need. Oh, I forgot a comma. So I just stupidly mashed buttons. Yay. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a furious Ninetales! How's it going? How have been the streams you've been watching? How has your day been? Please speak to me so I can have a break from this code. My brain hurts. All the cute little froggy emotes. I'm doing pretty good. I've been... So yes, yesterday I was working on this on stream and, oh, that's such a cute one. Mega froggy. And I did this code that I literally, like, I'm just now reaching new code stuff. But I did all this yesterday and I just refactored it to make it hopefully better. Because it shouldn't be calling, like, update all the time. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so adorable. All right, you have to tell me whose emotes are these. Oh, they're so cute. I wish my emotes were this cute. Sadly, I did my emotes, so they're not as cute. But that's okay. I think what I was doing for my well, when I get around to doing my emotes again, is I was gonna have like the yeah toast be for followers. Oh my gosh, it's the Pan Man can. Having the yeah toast be for followers, and then at least tier 1 subscription can be the Flame Boy thing. So that's pretty cool. How are you doing, Pan Man? How has everyone's day been? I didn't realize it's like 8:30 for me now, which is fine. We made a little oopsies putting this thing on GitHub because this is currently trying to delete all the node modules and it has been pushed, so we have to wait for this to go through. And the problem is, so this is how many files. There's 1,200 files in this folder. So we're still waiting on that. Is that Derek? Oh my gosh, it's a Derek too!
Alright. Yes, cheating. Joy laps. Done.
A few joy laps.
What?
No, I like how you put that. It's cute.
Yes, you get into it straight away.
Mm-hmm.
You look for cops. Then you drop it down to 6.
Mega Sarts.
You hit
Okay.
95 in a 45.
Did you actually?
And you don't see a curve coming, and you slow down to 45 by the time you get to the curve, and you're just barely riding the line to not go into the field.
That sounds like fun, Derek.
It was great. I mean, I didn't know it's such illegal acts.
Okay. I was asking Furious Ninetails where they're cute, where they get the cute emojis. Git is pretty much version control. Anyone can look at my repo so it's, if you have a GitHub and you go to Firebird.
GitHub is a front end for Git.
I don't do Git well, okay? I know my front end.
Yes. GitHub is a pretty Git.
Which is why we had such trouble setting this up, is because I don't know Git. Don't push your node modules to Git. Yes, it's at 3,388.
Seems like it got slower.
Well, yes, that's because it's working harder to find. I don't know. It's just slower. That's all we need to know.
Digging deep into the directories. 1 week later, I can finally push my.
Oh my gosh.
I have a great idea. Ready?
What?
You copy the folder.
No.
To location. You delete the Git files. You make a new GitHub repository after deleting that repository.
You gotta do it then, because I don't know Git that well, and I clearly messed it up the first time.
I did not know.
I'm not holding that against you.
But there's 11,837 files.
Wait, I'm echoing? Am I too loud?
Are you too loud?
Am I too loud?
Kid, the neighbors downstairs are complaining. We're getting complaints on the daily. They're like, that girl upstairs, don't know who she is. We think she's some kind of influencer. I don't know what's going on up there, but it's been crazy.
I don't know what's happening. Okay. I am playing RuneScape on the side. I am collecting all the lobsters. And I am going to sell them. Eventually.
No, you must cook them.
Well, yes, I'm gonna cook them and then sell them. But that's 9,000 coins away.
Or you can eat them one by one.
No. There is fix. I am confusioned. So I got to where I just want to know. Thank you. I got to where I ended yesterday. So,
What are you talking about?
because I refactored my code.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
And now I'm at the point where I ended yesterday. I haven't thought this far ahead. So now you all get to see me stumble, which is great.
What if I told you there's a more elegant way to do that?
Do what?
Never mind.
Do what? No! Tell me! Do what?
I ain't gonna mess with your
No. What? I want to know, for real, is what you're talking about.
Nothing, I'm just playing with you.
That's what I thought.
I can't see enough of the source code to see even what that function does.
This function
No, ready to order.
does absolutely nothing right now.
Ready to order. Wow! You don't say!
Ready to order. I don't see... Oh, here. Which... Oh, hi, Miss Bella. She's right in my face.
Plastic?
It's just a ball of...
Plastic.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you get me a peace tea, please?
A peace tea?
Yes, please.
Is this how we're making peace? Are you still angry with me?
I was never angry with you in the first place.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, this
What
man.
flavor do you want?
Don't I only have one flavor?
Yes.
Okay. I am also open to any questions anyone has. Clearly, as you can see, I'm
Why did
slightly...
you choose JavaScript?
Why?
I'm curious.
Because that's how you program on the web.
Oh.
I mean, it's not the only way. Let's be honest here. It's not the only
Why
way.
don't you use HTML5 to make it all move around? Like, you know, a nice little HTML5 canvas.
Technically, this is using the canvas.
Oh, wow.
Phaserjs, most of the stuff that you see on the web with this kind of...
DOM bin.
No, it's mostly the canvas. I mean, I'm sure there is ways where you can have it to be like a DOM element and have the DOM being like the web page. This is like an H1 or something tag.
If the internet is a Chad, can we make something like below the internet that instead of being DOM, there's a simp to be manipulated?
Can you guys hear Derek?
I'm not talking about my idea.
No. I'm hoping they can hear you, so it's not like me just responding
Just
to
laughing
you.
at nothing.
I really hope you can hear Derek in the background.
I think I have a great idea. It's like the internet.
But it's not.
I'm gonna do an internet. I'm gonna do a book.
You're leaving me? I met a real man.
Whoa.
It's-
me.
Yeah, it's you.
It's me.
Panman can here. Sorry. This code is slowly killing me. This is why I do this in small chunks. Small chunks.
Bella wants more of her liquid food.
She's not allowed more of her liquid food.
She's complaining.
Sex be her. Okay. So, this starts eating. We're gonna do... Wait. Do we pass... Shoot. I think it's the kitchen. We're gonna pass it this. Because this is the meal. Okay. So, instead of passing it meal, we're gonna do this dot booth dot set dirty. We're gonna just do set dishes. Yes. And we're gonna pass it meal. Do we want to do it this way? Oh, I have no idea. Meow. Yes, Miss Bella, come here. Come here. Also, for those of you with Twitter, I posted a picture of Bella on my Twitter. And you can go check it out by visiting my Twitter. It is in the there's a link in the description.
There's a link in the Discord, which you must join. Why am I?
Now I'm really... So she's sitting on my lap now, and she hates it when stuff gets too close to her face. So I'm really, really scared. Yeah! Shut your face, Grandma! She's... Ow! Ow! She's biting me! You chose to sit there, Bella. Sorry for shouting into the microphone. I didn't mean it. Ow. My hand is now in pain. Okay. How do we want to do this? Because we want the animation of the people eating to play. Ow. Oh, but we don't have an animation, so I don't want to worry about it yet. Does the booth know who's sitting? No. I don't think I'm using that anywhere. Hold on, let's double check. Am I using you anywhere? No. Okay. Goodbye. We are going... Yeah, we're gonna do set dishes. Set dishes. Gonna pass out the meal. This dot dishes equals meal. Beautiful. Because then... Or maybe... Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. New idea. New idea. This is how I code. Deal with it. So you start eating. Add timer for dramatic effects. Then we're gonna call this dot booth dot dirty dishes. We're gonna pass it the meal. Oh, no. We're gonna call it finished eating. Finished. Oh, I love that so much better. Finished eating. We have finished eating. Finished eating. We have passed it a meal. We're gonna do this, or we're gonna do meal dot set dirty dishes. Is that? Yep. Set dirty dishes. Ah. And then we're gonna do this dot dirty dishes equals meal. Is there a way I can... I don't know how to do timers yet. That's something, because after I get all this logic in, then I'm going to start adding in the timers. Oh my gosh. Bella, are you going to eat my hand again? Because I'd prefer if you didn't. What are you doing, Miss Bella? Come on. Alright, thank you. I'm so glad I can be a form of entertainment for you, Bella. Okay. So we finished eating. Yes. Yes, we did. Oh my gosh. Set the dirty dishes. So then when we click on the table, else if this dot parent container dot dirty dishes task dot emit whoopsies equals what am I writing down? Oh, what?
Ignore me.
Okay. But what if I don't want to?
Ignore me.
No. Never. Okay. Console.log in click table for dirty dishes. Alright. One step at a time. I cannot carry any more lobsters. Meow. Meow. let's see how this goes. Ah, shucks. This dot booth is null. This dot booth better not be null. How is it null? Meow. How is... Excuse me. Alright, Pam Mancan, I'll be here trying to solve this little puzzle. I need a pee soon too, but that's okay. Oh shoot, I gotta sneeze again too. Wait, what? Why? I need a tissue. My nose hates me. Don't tell me I need the actual people. Name customer. Should have booth. Yeah, there is booth. Sneezed all my brains out. Order tickets null, which is fine. Oh, table number. That's table number 1. Okay, so then in you, when we go to booth, your booth is null, and that's what it's angry about. Because it's setting it for both of these kids. Shoot. So how do I want to fix this? Oopsies, I need to finish taking my lobsters while I think about this, because I can emit the event from the booth. I prefer it if it was in customer. I think then we can just have a check for if it's the booth and if the table numbers are the same. Oh my gosh. She's so loud. Oh shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay, just for the time being, I'm curious what happens if it's still interactive. It's not gonna change anything, right? No, it still calls both of them. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do if this dot booth and this dot booth dot table number triple equals meal dot table number. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, yeah? Yeah, yeah? Okay, well. Add timer for dramatic effects. And then in booth. Okay. So then what should happen? We're just gonna play this as is. I know, I need to reset the X. And click for dirty dishes. Okay. So. I need to remember what we're doing for the hands. There should be the last hand thing, which is exciting, because that means... Oh, this is... Just take my word for it. This is high tech, okay? Okay, so I need to do this dot scene dot events dot emit take dirty dishes from table. This dot parent container dot dirty. Welcome back. Okay. Oh yeah? What are you, which Pokemon game? What are you collecting shinies or something? Let's see. Take dirty dishes table, because this is gonna do different things. Okay. Also, oh, let me. Uh-oh, I am not lobstering. Okay. So then, for this, holder takes ticket. No, we want take ticket from table. This dot left hand equals this dot finish task. Return true. Okay, I remember now. Arguably, these could probably be the same function. But for right now, we're going to keep them separate. But I am just going to copy and paste this because I mean, well... Except instead of ordered ticket, it's going to be dirty dishes. Later, we can rename it, take item from tables. I just want to make sure this works before going too far. And then we could probably... no. Probably not. Never mind. Okay. Let is dishes taken equal this dot scene. Yes. And then we can do if is dishes taken this dot. What is order taken? Okay, we're just gonna do dishes taken this dot dishes dirty dishes equals no. We'll worry about placement later. Dishes. Okay. So now we should be able to walk around with dirty dishes in our hands. Come on. I also need to make it so that there's a few things we need to fix up, but for right now, Okay, sweet. So now we can walk around with dirty dishes in our hands. Yes. Pam, what Pokemon game? I think my favorite Pokemon was Black and White, just because I'd name the Pokemon. I'd actually name the Pokemon rather than just let it be their Pokemon names. So my favorite Pokemon is Hot Pocket, because I don't know how to say the Pokemon's actual name. I can look it up. Gen 5. Let's see. Yes. Wait. Oh, some of them are just the okay. Wow, this site is unhappy. This one I named Popthorn because that's a Skylander. This one's Esmeralda. I named this one after the Bug's Life princess lady thing. I know we're getting distracted, but that's okay. Yes! This is Hot Pocket. He's so cute. I love him. He's my favorite. So whenever my Pokemon trainer would throw out Hot Pocket, it'd be like, Hot Pocket, go! And it was amazing. It was the best thing ever. Yeah, that was a good game. A lot of people didn't like Generation 5 Pokemon, which I don't understand. Like, there's Generation 3, which a lot of people seem to like, but I'm upset by the fact that the starter Pokemon had such potential, because they started off so cute, but then it was like, what happened? Like, oh, it's a cute little chick, and it's like, okay, this is okay, but then it's like, what? This one's actually not that bad. The water. I'm upset with the fire. What's that starter that is a turtle? Oh, is that Gen 2? Hold on. No, because I love this one. Is it Gen 4? It's one of the ones before 5. I know that much. Yeah, Turtwig. I love Piplup, mainly because I love penguins. This is a good one too. See, these ones are good. These ones are good. But Gen 3 was just like, what happened to the final evolution of these Pokemon? Nice. Some of these are in the Arceus Pokemon game, it seems. I haven't finished that yet. I'm supposed to be finishing it at some point in time. But I got distracted with Elden Ring, and now I'm distracted with my game, because I love my game. I want to finish it. And we're so close to actually making it, like, a playable thing. Almighty Bidoof. See, in Arceus, I named it Big Oof. You know, as one does. I know, it's not super original, but that's okay. That's okay. Whew. First ever Pokemon series. Oh, nice. Is that the Sun and Moon? The Aloha region or something? The Sun and Moon was a pretty good Pokemon game as well, in my opinion. I liked how it told me. Nice. I liked how the games told me which was strong against which when I knew, like when I had figured it out. Because otherwise I could never remember, and I'd just power level my starter Pokemon and have it be able to kill everything. Okay. Oh, we're so close, and then so far. Journeys Gen 8. What's Journey? I've never... Oh, is that, hold on. Gen 8 Pokemon. Sword and Shield, yeah. Gmax. I haven't played around. I do not want text. Just Bulbapedia. Yes. There's... Oh, here we go. See, I think these starters are pretty cute. I never played Sword and Shield. I think it lacked some... Huh. Oh, I loved Rowlet. Yeah. Okay. What is this? Do I need this tab? No. Do I need this tab? No. Do I need this tab? No. 3,660. Oh. No. Cancel. Okay. I'm closing out of those because I don't think I need them anymore. So excited. Then I'll probably look into actual art for this. Placing the table, like seeing how more tables would work, if we want to add longer tables, having more than one customers. Like the minimum viable product. Stop. Jerry, can you hear me? No, he cannot. Google just decided to go off, and that's fine. But we've got almost the base of the game, which is exciting. I think... Oh, I just cracked my neck. I'm not sure what we're gonna do after we have the base game mechanics in. Oh, that's so much more manageable. Okay, so we need to go to the sink, and when we click on the sink, why did I decide to get a dirty sink? We don't need that. Okay, this dot C. Wait, how do we do this? How do we do this? This dot on pointer up. Okay. We're just gonna, yeah. Okay, so this dot on pointer up. So when we click on the sink, no matter what, can we please? Thank you. We are going to want to, how did we do this? This was for the table. Okay. We're gonna do this dot scene dot events dot emit. We're gonna do walk to sink. Whoa. That's it. What? Wait. Hold up. This is what we want. Add task and the task. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got confused. Which is fine. Happens to the best of us. Okay. And then we want an object. Okay. X, this dot X, Y, this dot Y. Do you have a parent container? Yes, you do. Okay. This dot parent container dot X, parent container y. We're just gonna add this dot x, this dot y. We're going to do status pending emit is there anything we need to actually emit? I don't think there is, so we're just gonna pass it an empty function for now. Which we're gonna have to emit some sort of. It would be the same as this player booth. I think it's the same as walk to. So if we go here and walk to booth. Yeah, because then we want to check. So this will be walk to sync and this will be walk to booth. I think. I'm pretty sure. Alright, I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick. I'm a BRB. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. For the most part. Let's just do, Boink. Sweet. Okay. Um... Oh my gosh.
The Hacking Frog raided my stream with 5 viewers.
You're just in time because I just got back from the bathroom. Oh my gosh, those raid emotes are so cute. Ah, how's everyone doing? Are you ready to see the progress I've made? Now, what were you? I think I might have seen it. The witch, the little witch in the woods, right? I figured why not. If you don't want it there, I can change it, but this game has been fun. So much fun. We almost have a complete game cycle too, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So to give the oh, that's cute. So we have it where you can seat your customers or horseshoe crab, thanks to Rabbity Frogs. All right, bye, Peck. Oh my gosh.
Soaring_leaf raided my stream with 5 viewers.
Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah. Are you sure you didn't plan this? Cause I soaring leaf. Robin just raided. I was showing off my game. Well, you were playing Minecraft. I remember. How is Minecraft? Much needed break from coding. I'll show this off in a bit when everyone's seated and everything, you know. Oh right, I have RuneScape going on the side because that's what I do while I code. You were who murdered? You know what? You did some murdering yourself as well. So, Albie, is that how you say it, Albie? Whew. I'm not sure what 6 months you're talking about. Oh, why did it not? Why did it? Oh, that's so weird. It didn't. Like, I didn't get any notification. Oh. Ah. There's absolute. Well, and it's weird because. Why? I'm so confused. First sound alert is wonky. Now this. Anyways. Alright, Rabbity. Before you do. That is very loud. I am so sorry. That was very. Yeah. Rabbity, I can also put these streams on the YouTube archive and make them public. Bruh. If you'd like. If you want to watch them later. If Rabbity's still here. Leaf deserved it. She invaded my home and I felt threatened. I suppose. Okay. I'll do that. Bye, Rabbity. Have a good night. So welcome everyone from Robin and Soaring Leaf's streams. Alright, Robin. Sleep well. We're gonna do a quick run through of what we're doing here. We are making a web-based game, that is like Diner Dash, which is a game that first got released in early 2000s. It was a game I played as a child, and it was very popular when it first came out. So the premise of it is you are a waiter, or you're managing this restaurant. So you have customers, which are horseshoe crabs that Rabbity made. Rabbity also made the penguin, so I decided to put them in there because why not? Everything is just placeholder images for now because I can't draw. I drew the background and I gave up because it's intense. So we've been working on. So we have it so when you can click and drag, you know, your horseshoe crab customers. You can't put them at the same table, but you can put them on either seat. Once you do, on your old flip phone? That sounds intense. We don't have any of the timings in either, so as soon as you place them down, they're like, okay, I'm ready to order. So you can go over, you can click on them. You can't just walk anywhere. I forgot to put that back. Don't look at that. Don't look. Hold up. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. That I haven't seen that before. So you know, we can take their orders and we can turn them in, and I don't have this fully working. They just stack on top of each other for now, which is fine. And then we can go feed them, and their food goes wherever it wants, cause yeah. And then we can pick up their dirty trays. And then this is the part I'm working on now, is when we click on the sink, the dishes will go away and we'll need the customers. Oh, I didn't even think of that. When they finish eating, the customers need to go away. Duh. But just for I'm just gonna look at the pictures because it's super buggy. But this is what the game, you know, looks like. Can I enlarge this? Yeah. You know, so you have your customers coming in, you have your tables, you know, that's your ticket holder, you have drinks, you know. So this is kind of, because I haven't been able to find a decent place to play the games. And I really want to. So. Alright, Soaring Leaf. Thank you for the raids. Hopefully you have a good night, and hopefully your bugs are pooping gold. My whole plan for this, so my dream is to make a website where it's a bunch of web-based games that I made, because I don't know, that sounds pretty cool. Sounds like my cup of tea. So this is the start. I will eventually get someone to do artwork for this because I can't do artwork, but that's okay. But yeah, that's where did, there you are. Okay, so customers, so when they finish eating, there's .booth .finish eating. Okay, so you're gonna finish eating, and then you're gonna do this .destroy. And we're gonna tell the booth when finished eating, this is occupied equals false. So that this way, all right, we're gonna try this logic out. So we're gonna try setting one of these dudes. So if I click over here, it should, yep, nope, can't feed that table. Actually, we want, because right now I can place them, and that's not good. So we don't want this here yet. We want this after we pick up the dirty dishes, which is fine. Okay. Because you don't want to be seated at a table with dirty dishes. What kind of nonsense is that? Whew. Alright. So, now the part that we're at is we have an emit. So this is walk to, so this is when you click on the booth, it walks to stop parent container. How is this logic working again? Oh, I need to remember. Sitting at a table. That is fair, you know. We want our restaurant to have higher standards, you know. This ain't no fast food restaurant. This is a nice sit-down meal type of restaurant. Also, is the text on the VS Code, is that okay? Or is that too small? I might have changed it at some point. And hopefully it's not too small. Okay. So start walk to booth. Okay, so we're gonna change this to walk to booth. Walk to booth. Completely different things. Alright. Okay. Well, if anyone can't read it, let me know and I will enlarge it. Okay. So we want to do this dot sing on events dot emit walk to sync. We're just gonna pass it the sync for now, I think. Its parent container is the kitchen, which has the meals and sink. I don't actually, well, that might be useful for later, so we're not gonna worry about it right now. Okay, we're gonna get rid of that console log because we don't need it anymore. Start meal. Okay, so we were working on sync. So now in my player, we're gonna have this dot, it's going to receive the events. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them. I'm only half brain dead, so I should be able to answer most of them. Or if you just want to, you know, sit in awe or confusion, you know, that's pretty cool too. I will mostly be mumbling to myself about what stuff does, words. Okay, so when we walk, if this dot left hand, because we want to make sure it's not null, this dot left hand, oh shucks. Oh shoot. Okay, so I just realized an issue here, which, you know, this dot, so I will show it. So when we get our meal, if I check to see if the name is meal, because this is the same object even after I place it down, oh, that's an issue too. I can't. So we need to check in the meal. We're gonna do this dot is dirty equals false. Set dirty dishes. This dot is dirty equals true. Okay. And then we can do this dot left hand and this dot left hand dot is not dirty. Boom. And okay. Meanwhile, and this dot left hand is dirty because we only want to put the dirty dishes in the sink. Otherwise, that'll mess everything up, and that will not be fun for me. if this dot right hand and this dot, oh, I didn't even finish this. Triple equals meal dot name triple equals meal. This dot right hand dot is dirty. Okay. Do we want to just destroy it? I think yes. Yeah, it doesn't, we don't need to know about the sink. We're gonna just do, this dot left hand equals this dot left hand. And we're gonna just do clean dishes. Which in reality, we're just gonna destroy it. Right hand. And the reason why we're setting it to itself is we're gonna return null so that the hand's like, oh, I'm free. I can carry more things now. Clean dishes. With a J at the end, apparently. Yes. Okay. Start right hand dot. Clean. What about just clean dish? Wouldn't that make more sense? This dot destroy turn null. Does this work? All right. So we may have just finished all the base logic of this game. I don't think I fixed. Did I fix this? Oh, no, I didn't fix it yet. Okay. Shoot, where do we? Pick up, no, take dirty dishes from table. This dot finished, oh no, we don't want that. This should be on booth, right? Take dirty dishes from table. This dot dishes taken. Okay, so this is where we want to do this dot is occupied equals false. Beautiful. So now, we should be able to sit. Okay. No, can't sit down. Good, good, good. Now you can. I can't give him back his dirty dishes, which is good. Yes. Yes. It's a fully working game. Yes. Okay, that's really exciting. That's really exciting. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do next. What do we do next? I totally thought this was... It's technically a fully working game now. You don't get that far and you don't... There's no objective except to serve the 2 customers. Okay. So because for most of the stuff that I was working with, I had a general idea of what to do next. Now I have a few ideas of what to do next, and they're not contingent on anything else. So what we're actually going to do, yeah, in index, oh, we can clean all this up to, oh, are you ready for this? Boom. Ah, oh, nice clean code. All right. Let's make a comment block. Okay. To do. Okay, so we want add in timers. And we're gonna elaborate. And if anyone in chat can think of anything that might be cool to add, feel free to shout it out. You practically know everything that I've done. I want you to search your brains for epic things that can be done. And to clarify on add in timers, have customers look at menu before ordering. Have kitchen take time to make food. Have customers take time to eat food. I think those are the only... Alright, let's play through it again. So yeah, they should take time to look at the menu first. You know, then we can go over and order. And then it should take time here. And then it should take time here. Fix placement of dirty dishes. Of meal and dirty dishes. That's an important one. Why can't I... Wait. What happened? Why can't I click anywhere? Did I add in a... Hold up. Oh, shoot. You know what I forgot? I forgot this dot finish task. Otherwise, I can't do the next thing. Okay. Okay. So, blank. Which is weird, because... Oh, it's because I didn't actually go to the sink. Oopsies. Okay. Add in score. We want to add in levels. I want to add in endless mode. And in we're gonna have a customers to do where we have more than one customer in a group. Have different colors for customers. Have different customer types, because in Diner Dash, if you got like the old man, you know, they take longer to order and eat everything, and the businesswoman would be faster, and shoot words. Oh, the businessman, you know, when his cell phone rang, he annoyed everyone around him. So for tables, add in color-coded seats, add in score multiplier for same colors. Have add bigger colors. All right, and for customer, we want when hovering over chairs, customer clicks into place. You know, so you know where it kind of has the, yeah. We want ability to save scores and levels. Status words. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. Add in animations, and this is for, whew, there's gonna be a lot of them. So we're gonna want player walking animations, player holding animations. We're gonna want, oh, there's gonna be a lot of customer animations. We'll do ticket holder spin animation. Not sure if we want to change. Not sure ticket holder is going to look. Okay. Sync animation. And then customers. We're gonna have frustration animation. We're gonna have happy animation. Eating animation. Ordering or yeah, menu animation. Ready to order animation. Leaving animation. Maybe we should have like a reset game button. So, you know, oh, we need hearts on the customers. Happiness counters. Leaves when to upsetty spaghetti. I can't spell, so don't judge me about that. Don't judge me about that. You know, so they get angry. Oh, you place them down. Oh, they get happy. They're reading the menu. You click on them. You can take their order. Ooh, you know what? We need number signs for tables. For meals, we need number sign for corresponding table. Okay. Because it doesn't matter where I take this, but it does matter where I take the meal to. Different meal types. Randomly assigned. Yeah? Yeah. Got sync animation. We want a kitchen animation. Okay. Oh my gosh. Endless possibilities. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy, indeed. I think for right now, I think this is good. And I'm gonna call it here just because it's almost 10 and this is a really good stopping point, because if I keep going, it's gonna take me a bit to figure out some of these other components. But I hope everyone, you know, enjoyed while they were here. I don't know. Do we want to raid someone? Um, um, let me know if we want to raid someone.
Aru worth it.
Thanks. Yes, those are the next words. Be sure to follow if you want to see more of this in the future. I'll probably be working on this. I'll probably play some Valorant. I'll maybe... Yeah, we can... Okay. So I'll give... Oh. So we've rated Paramix Zeph before, and we've rated Broken Rebel. If either of those people suit your fancy, or if you want to recommend someone, I'm open to it. I do have a Discord and a Twitter if you want to follow. They're in the description about portion. I don't have fancy panels yet because reasons. One day. And then I'll be posting, well, yes, I'll post these coding ones that I've done. I haven't done all of them on stream, but you'll get some insights. I'll post them on my YouTube archives, mainly because I know Rabbity was interested in game development of a sorts, and you know, hopefully this gives them some insight that they were looking for. Anyone have... We'll go ahead. We'll go ahead and raid Broken Rebel. Yeah. But yeah, thank you everyone for stopping. Oh, you know what? Ending. Boom. Thank you everyone for stopping by. Thank you for the raids, even though Robin and River aren't in chat anymore. I'm still thanking them after the fact. Yes, have a good night, everyone. Get some sleep. You know, words are failing me because my brain is slightly broken from coding, as it happens. It happens. But yeah, let's go say hi, and I'll see y'all next time.